towards your body, physical body, from the legs, from the toes to your head. And the back of our body is touching the floor. But let's feel or knowing your natural curve in your body. There are arch and round in your body from the heels to the back of your head. So inhale, breathe from the feet to your head, and exhale everything inward. And bring your awareness to the ears. Listen the sound of the nature around you. Listen the sound of your breath inside you. Let the breath connect your mind, body, soul this morning. Now come back to your body. Now bring your attention to your heels, which is touching the floor. And there is an arch. We call it the arch between the heels and the calf. And then the calf touch the floor. The back of your knees. There also an arch, the space between the floor. And then the back of your thighs is touching the floor. The buttocks touching the floor. Then the lower back, there's another arch. Middle, upper back, again touching the floor. The neck, another natural curve. And the back of your head is touching the floor. And the front body, just bring your attention to your abdominal, ribs, and your chest. So you feel when you do inhalation, expanding your belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, relax your chest, ribs, and your belly. So breathe segmented, from the belly. First expand, and then the second is the ribs expand, and then the chest expand. We divide it into 3 parts. Exhale, relax from the chest, ribs, and belly. And try to do longer, deeper inhalation and slower exhalation. Apa? Stay there for a moment. This breathing awareness makes your body more relaxed. The muscles and joints before we move. And this breathing awareness calming the heartbeats and also help you to calming your mind. And then we're ready to do yoga practice this morning. Another 3 long inhalation and slow exhalation. 3 nafas lagi, bernafas lebih pelan, dalam, membuang nafas juga lebih perlahan. with your own pace. One last inhale. And slowly exhale. Okay, gently open your eyes. Good. Yeah, now feet together. Yeah, join your feet together. And then point your toes. Yeah, the toes away from your body. And feel the stretching on the ankle and engagement on the calf. Ya, rasakan stretchingnya di bagian depan, yaitu pergelangan kaki. Dan aktifkan area betisnya pada saat point your toes. And the different direction now, heels forward, we call it flexion. You now feel the calf stretch. Yeah, the ankles and the front of your thighs is active. Engage. Okay, now more flow. Inhale, pointing your toes. Exhale, flex your feet. Heels forward. Again, inhale, point your toes. Exhale, flex your feet. Lagi pointing jari kakinya. Lalu flex. Sekali lagi tarik nafas, inhale point. And exhale flex. Okay, now rotate your ankle. Ya, putar pergelangan kakinya to one direction. Okay. And to the other side. Good. Yeah, now relax your left leg. We come to the right. Yeah, first bend your right knee to your chest. Right knee to your chest. Okay. And interlock your fingers behind your right thigh. Yeah, we move the knee, the ankle, the joints in the knee. Yeah, from here, inhale, straight your right leg up if you can. Or maybe if, for this morning, you feel tightness on the back of your thighs, just slightly bend, but try to straight. Exhale again, bend your right knee. Yeah, 3 more times. Inhale, straight your right leg, maybe push the heels up. Exhale, bend again your right knee. Inhale, straight your right leg. Maybe this time you can try to pointing your toes. Exhale, bend, and feel the difference. One more inhale. This time it's up to you. Point or flex. And exhale. Good. Now, grab the towel, yeah, the roll towel, okay, and place behind of your right knee. Okay. Squeeze behind of your right knee and your calf. Yeah. And from here, try to move. Yeah, we call it external rotation of your right thigh. Open your right thigh to the side. Okay. And come back, right knee to your chest and slightly cross to the left. Yeah, 2 more times. External rotation of your right thigh, putar ke arah luar. Maybe you can feel the tightness on your right hip joint. Exhale, slightly twist to the left. Internal rotation. One more. Inhale, external rotation. And then internal rotation. Yeah, one less day, bonus one less. To the right, external. And then internal rotation. Okay. Now, move to the left side more, like you do reclining twist. Okay. Like you do reclining twist. And roll fully to the left side. Use your left hand as your pillow. Your left hand as your pillow. If you feel this difficult in this pose, you can also bend your left knee to the side. Yeah, but it's okay. You can try to straight your left leg. Okay, now inhale. The knee, right knee, away from your chest. Yeah, we call it extension. But keep squeezing the towel behind your calf, your thigh. And exhale, now right knee to your chest. We call it flexion, the hips. Inhale again, right knee away, extension away from the chest. Exhale, right knee close to your chest, flexion. Okay, 2 more rounds. Inhale, move slowly, not too fast. Yes, you can feel deeper on the hip joints. Exhale, knee, chest. Okay, one more. Into your extension. And exhale into your flexion. Okay, good. Inhale, lie down. Come back to the first position. Lie down and release the towel and then change your legs. Yeah, right leg relax. Now bend your left knee to your chest. Interlock your fingers behind your thigh. Ya, di belakang paha kirinya. Inhale, left leg straight. Luruskan kaki kirinya. You can try to flex or point the toes. Exhale, bend again your left knee. Yeah, moving the knee joint. Inhale again, straight, maybe fully straight. Exhale, bend. Yeah, 2 more rounds. Inhale, maybe this time flex. Exhale, bend your knee, tekuk lututnya. One less. Inhale, straight, maybe this time point your toes. Exhale, bend again your left knee. Good. Release your hand. Again, grab the roll towel. Place behind the thigh. Squeeze with the calf. Yeah, now inhale, external rotation of your left hip, left thigh. Yeah, exhale, knee to the chest and slightly to the right. Internal rotation. Ya, inhale again, putar ke arah luar, external rotation. And exhale, internal rotation, putar ke arah dalam. Inhale again, external. Exhale, internal. Okay, one last. Inhale, external, move slowly. And exhale, internal rotation. This time rolling to the right side. Use your right hand as your pillow. You can also bend your right knee to the side. Yeah, this time inhale, knee away from your chest. We call it extension. Exhale, knee close to your chest. Inhale lagi, extension. Yes, menjauh ya. Exhale, knee to your chest. Flexion. 2 more round. Into your extension. Feel on the hips flexor. And exhale, knee to your chest. Feel also on the lower belly. One last inhale, extend. And exhale, flexion, knee, chest. Good. Inhale, release, and then lie down. Release your towel. Okay. Yeah, this time we try with straight our leg. Yeah, so left leg straight to the floor. Now right leg up without grab the hand. Relax your hand beside. Yeah. Now relax also your toes. You want to do pointing, but not too much. Yeah, just relax your toes. Now from here, inhale, external rotation your right leg to the side. Yeah. And then swing your right leg close to the left leg forward. Don't touch the floor. Jangan sentuh lantai. Inhale again, right leg up to the sky. Good. Again, exhale, external rotation on your right leg. Yeah, again, I feel tightness here on the right inner thighs. To the front. Inhale, right leg up. To the side. Maybe you can feel click, click. Yeah, you can hear the click, click sound on the hip joints. Okay, one more round. Right leg up. To the side. And then forward. And right leg up. Yeah, now other direction. from the right leg up. Yeah, inhale to the front without touching the floor. Yeah, and external rotation to the side, swing to the side, and then lift up. Inhale. Maybe this is harder. Yeah, exhale again, close to the floor, forward. External rotation, and then lift up. Oh man. And exhale, close to the floor. External rotation, and then again lift up. Okay, feel engagement also the inner thighs. And exhale, one more round. Yes, good. Okay, lift up. Exhale, it release, bend your knees slightly and release to the floor. Okay, shake your legs. Yeah. Now other side. Yeah, left leg. Your right leg relax on the floor. Inhale, left leg up. Yeah. First routine, external rotation first to the side. Okay. And then swing forward, closer to the right leg. And then lift up. Yeah. Again, external rotation, putar ke arah luar, dekatkan ke lantai, tapi jangan sentuh, lalu ayunkan ke depan, lalu angkat lagi ke atas. Maybe some of you feel the left leg is tighter than the right, or maybe some of you the left is flexible than the right. Everyone is different. One more round, inhale to the left, external rotation. And then swing forward pelan-pelan. Angkat lagi ke atas and left leg up. Now other direction. Left leg inhale, close to the right leg. And external rotation, swing from the side. And lift up. Yes. 3 more rounds by your own. And move, try to move slower. Feel the movement on the joints of your hips and also the engagement of your thighs, which is it the front, the side, or the inner thighs or the back thighs. Which one you feel engaged when you do this rotation. Okay, one more inhale and exhale. Good. Bend your knee, release, and shake your both legs. Shake your both legs. Okay, cukup ya, enough for lying down. Now bend your both knees, lie down to one side, and come up to your tabletop, please. Into your all four or tabletop. Okay. Bring the towel closer to you. Good. Now, okay. Now let's start from tabletop. Grab the towel. Place the towel. Squeeze in between your calf and your thigh. Your right thigh and your right calf. Okay. Now bend the right knee. Inhale, lift. We call it again extension. We did it before on the floor. Feel here extension and feel engagement on the hamstring and also your calf. Jadi ada bagian depannya memanjang, extend, bagian belakangnya yaitu hamstring dan juga betisnya aktif. Especially when you squeeze the towel. Okay. And now exhale, right knee to chest. And feel also the movement on the hip flexor and engagement also on the lower belly. 2 more rounds. Inhale, extension. Maybe right knee slightly up from your hips, like you do cow. Exhale, right knee chest, like you do cat the spine. Engagement also on your belly. One last round. Inhale, extend, slightly look forward. Yes. And exhale, right knee chest, round your back. From knee to the chest, this time external rotation, your right thigh. Like puppy. Okay. Exhale, again, internal rotation and slightly to the left, like you want to cross to the left side. 2 more round. Inhale, external rotation. Feel more the outer thigh, the glutes. Exhale, right knee to the chest and slightly cross to the left. Okay, one last inhale, external rotation. Maybe lift higher than your hips if you can. Exhale, right knee, chest, and slightly cross to the left. Good. From here, inhale, right knee back into your extension. And exhale, keep squeezing your towel, right knee to your armpit. And step forward, release the towel. Automatically the towel will release into your low lunge. Great. From here, low lunge, inhale. Try to push your hip back and try to straight your right leg. You can adjust your hand into your half split. And when your left knee feel discomfort, you can fold also the mat, or now the towel you can use for cover the left knee. Exhale again. Bend your right knee into your low lunge. Adjust your hand. Yes. Inhale, move your hips back. Straight your right leg. You can always adjust your hand. Exhale again. Bend your right knee. One last inhale. Hips back into your half split. Good. Exhale. Bend your right knee into your low lunge. This time, your left knee as the axis. Now turn the left foot to the right side. Now slightly facing to the side, like you do mini side angle. Facing diagonal to the left side. Menghadap ke samping kiri diagonal. From here, inhale all the way up. Arms up, lengthen your spine. Into your mini warrior leg. Okay. Now exhale. Try to push your hip to your left hip. Sorry, your left heel. Dorong bokong kirinya ke arah tumit kiri. You can do also forward bend or just slightly halfway forward bend. And then straight your right leg. Again, inhale, bend your right knee, hips slightly forward, and then arms up. Angkat tangannya ke atas. And exhale, again, push your hip back to your left heel ke arah tumit kirinya sambil luruskan kaki kanan. One last inhale, kembali, hips forward, arms up. Okay, this time we add the side angle, mini side angle. You can place your right elbow to your right thigh or right hand down inside of your right foot into your side angle, mini side angle. And then try to push your right hip closer to the right calf. Dorong bokong kanannya, pinggul kanannya ke arah betis kanan. Okay, feel stretching on the right inner thigh, the groin. Okay, from here, inhale, circle your left arm into your mini side angle, mini parsva. Stay one breath, inhale, push slightly to the front. This is for flexibility of your right inner thigh and also the hip joint. Good. Exhale, hand down, left hand down. Turn again your left foot back to your low lunge. Great. Place your palms down to the floor. Inhale. Now this time, keep the toes touch the floor and slide to the side. Slide to the side and kick back. Keep touching the floor, the toes only. Exhale. Now pull your right knee into your tabletop, the first position. Okay, let's do it for the left side. Yeah, prepare again the roll towel. Yeah, place the roll towel behind the calf and your left thigh. Oke, jadi handuknya digulung, letakkan di belakang paha dan betis. Ya, kalau sudah, place your palms down. Inhale, lift your left knee, angkat lutut kirinya dari lantai. Extend your left hip. Exhale, left knee, chest, round your back. Feel engagement on the lower belly. 3 more times. Inhale into your extension. Maybe slightly lift up the knee. Exhale, left knee, chest, round your back. Maybe knee to your nose. Inhale again. Extend the knee away from the chest. Good. Exhale, left knee, chest, round your back. Yeah, feel the connection between your thighs, hips, and your abdominal. One more. Inhale, left leg, left knee back, away from the chest. Extend. And exhale, left knee, chest, into your flexion, round your back. This time from knee, chest, inhale, external rotation to the left. Like puppy pose. Exhale again, left knee, chest, internal rotation, and slightly twist or cross to the right. Again, inhale, external rotation. If you can, one line with the hip. Exhale, internal rotation, left knee. Slightly cross to the right. Okay, 2 more round. Inhale, external rotation. Feel on the glutes, the outer thigh. Exhale, knee, chest, and cross slightly to the right. Last round. Inhale, external. And exhale, internal rotation. Good. From here, inhale, external rotation, and step forward outside of your left hand and release the towel. This time for the muscle, inhale, push your hips back, straight your left leg into your half split. You can always adjust your hand, yeah? Exhale again, bend your left knee into your low lunge. Maybe push more the hip forward. Feel on the front right thigh. Inhale again, push your hip back into your half split. Feel the stretching on the back of your left thigh. Exhale, left knee bend, push your hip forward, stretching on the right front thigh. Inhale, one more into your half split. And exhale, bend again your left knee into your low lunge. So this time, right knee on the floor and pivot back. The right foot turn in to the left. Mini side angle. Inhale, all the way up, arms up. Angkat tangannya ke atas, tubuhnya menghadap ke samping ya, diagonal. Good. Exhale, now push your right hip to your right heel, sit down. Okay, and try to straight your left leg. Like you do Janu Sirsasana B. Again, inhale, bend your left knee, push your hip to the side, arms up. Mini side angle. And exhale again, push back to your right heel. Maybe forward bend. One last inhale, push your hips forward, arms up, lengthen your spine. And exhale this time to your side, mini side angle. You can place your left elbow to your left thigh or left palm down to the floor. And raise your right arm, inhale into your mini side angle, mini parswa. You can also push your left buttock, your left hip to the left calf forward. Stay there. Stretching on the right inner thigh for 2. Okay. And 1. Good. Inhale, come up. Okay. Now this time I will add something here to this, facing to the side. Now turn back. Yeah, turn facing back. Adjust your right knee. And now right knee down to the floor. Yeah, keep the right knee down to the floor, but this time facing back. Okay. And directly left knee down into your tabletop, facing to the back of your mat. Okay, tuck your toes and push your hips back into your active child pose. Yeah, you can also adjust your palms forward. Okay, active child pose. Feel the stretching on the glutes. Yeah, another 3, 2. Child pose, Mbak Agustin, bukan down dog. Child pose, adu muka. Virasana, bukan adu muka swanasana ya. Okay, another one breath. Inhale. And exhale. Good. This time, inhale, come to your tabletop. Directly right knee lift into your extension. Push back. Now exhale. External rotation first to the right. Yeah. External rotation to the right. And then internal, so keep external rotation, but the right foot cross on in front of the left. Yeah, we will do the Gomukhasana. Okay. So right knee in front of the left knee. Okay, and then adjust your feet, your heels away from each other. And then now try to push your hips back. Yeah, if you can, the hips down to the floor or just halfway back. Yeah, now feel on the outer side of your hips in this Gomukhasana. Yeah, you can do with forward bend, or you can do halfway forward bend, or just lengthen your spine. Yeah, inhale there for a few moments. Yeah, this is for flexibility on our outer hips. 2. Okay, and one more breath. And exhale. Good, hands forward. Inhale again. Shoulder forward like you do table. Yeah. Now tuck your toes. Yeah, tuck your toes. Now try to push your hips down like you down dog with crossing your legs. Down dog with crossing your legs. Yeah, again feel also on the outer hips, but this time we straight the legs. Feel also on the back of your thighs. Okay, another 3 in this down dog. Cross the legs. Ya, kakinya di cross. Down dognya bukan down dog biasa. Down dognya tetap kakinya di cross. Hanil. Ya, kaki kanan tetap di luar. Kaki kanan tetap di depan kiri. Ya. Oke. Ya, 1 nafas lagi. One more breath in this down dog cross. Yeah, when you do exhale, slightly bend your knees. Now walk your hands back. Walk your hands back towards your feet. Okay. Now this time turn your body to the left. And also now the balls of the feet as the axis sebagai porosnya. And then turn forward. Now facing forward. Okay. And exhale, step back into your active child pose. Oke, itu juga salah satu belajar transition ya, dari depan ke arah belakang. Ya, dari belakang ke arah depan lagi muter. Stay in active child pose. Tuck your toes. Okay, palms forward. Now we will do the left side. One more breath here. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Inhale, shoulder forward. Left knee bend and kick your left knee up into your extension, the hip. Yeah, exhale, external rotation to the left. Okay, like the shoelace. Yeah, now we try to cross the left to the right. Now this time left knee in front of the right knee. You can also adjust to the middle of your mat, and then heels away from each other. Ya, tumitnya jauhin satu sama lain. And try to push your hips back. Dorong pinggulnya ke belakang into your Gomukhasana hips. Yeah, push more back. If you can touch the floor, You can stay with forward bend or lengthen the spine. Yeah, it's up to you which one you feel comfortable for the hips area. Yeah, feel from the sacrum, yeah, especially the sacroiliac joints moving, and then feel the lengthening, broaden, yeah, the area of sacrum to the hips. Another one breath, inhale and exhale. Okay, now palms forward, lift again your hips from the floor. Now tuck your toes, yeah, hips up into your down dog cross. Yeah, you can lift the heels slightly, bend your knees. But if you can try to straight your legs, yes, you can try to straight your legs. Yes, into your down dog cross. Yeah, feel again on the outer hips. Yeah, for another two. Can lift the heels always, yeah. Always adjust your body in any positions, yeah. Because just remember, don't want to be the same with the photo. Yeah, maybe down dog with very normal perfect position, but always adjust your body in every day is different. Okay, good. Inhale, bend your knees slightly. Now walk your hands back. Yeah, this time don't turn, but bring your feet together and adjust your right. Yeah, into your normal Uttanasana. Yeah, in the back of your mat. Okay. From here, inhale, lengthen your spine. Now exhale, turn out your toes. Kakinya arahkan ke diagonal keluar sedikit. Come to your squat, Malasana. Yeah, Malasana. Palms in front of your heart. Yeah, try to push the elbow towards the knee and feel on the inner thighs area. Yeah, the groin, yeah, the reproductive organs. Okay, stay for a moment in this Malasana. Okay, one more inhale and exhale. Good. Now grab again the towel. Yeah, we will do the rotation also and then flexion extension in standing pose. Grab again the towel. Okay. Grab the towel with your right hand. Okay. Digulung Bades ininya handuknya. Ya. Kalau sudah, inhale, lift your hips up. Ya. Parallel your feet. Ya, kakinya menghadap ke depan. Now bend your right knee only. Place the towel. Yeah, place the towel behind your calf and your thighs, and then squeeze. Yeah, so we do the standing balance. Only the left foot now. Yeah, from here, knee, chest first. Exhale. Good. Inhale now. Right knee away from the chest. If you can lift more up, like you do standing split, maybe belly close to your thigh. Exhale, lengthen your spine forward. Bring your right knee here, chest to your chest, and then round your back. Again, yeah, inhale from lengthen the spine, right knee away from the chest, stay there. Or if you want to go deeper, left belly closer to your thigh, right knee up, like you do standing split. Test, test, test. Check. How about now? Okay, now okay? My voice okay now? Good. Ya, tadi soalnya jatuh. Receivernya jatuh ke banting, maafkan. Okay, again, right knee to the chest. One more round. Kan, ya. Inhale, external rotation your right knee. Right hips. And exhale again, right knee to your chest. Okay, good. Exhale, release your right foot down. And now change position with the towel behind your left thigh. Yeah, change position. Standing balance with your right foot down to the floor. First, left knee to your chest. Yeah, you can always slightly bend your right knee if you feel discomfort with straight the right leg. Yeah, left knee, chest, exhale. Good. Inhale, left knee away from the chest. We call it extension. And if you want to do standing split, yes, you can. Maybe right belly to your thigh, left knee up. Exhale, left knee again back to your chest. And then round your back. Feel abdominal engage. Good. 2 more round. Inhale, left knee away from the chest. Extend. Maybe to your standing split with bending your left knee. And exhale, left knee back to your chest. Round your back. One last round. Inhale, left knee away from the chest. Just straight your spine. Or if you want to do standing split, please, okay, you can try. Yeah, left knee up. And exhale, left knee to your chest. Yeah, now the rotation. Yeah, inhale, left knee away from the chest, yeah, into your external rotation of your left hip. Yeah, exhale again, left knee, internal rotation, back to your chest. Yeah, 2 more round. Inhale, external rotation. Feel the right buttocks also feel burned. Exhale, knee, chest. One last inhale, external rotation. And exhale, internal rotation. Okay, good. Release. And bend your knees at a time. Move your hips side to side. Yeah, relax the hips area. The calf, the back of your thighs. Okay. Now, come to the upper body. Yeah, with Martin.
Good. So where were we? In which position? The last one? Uttanasana? Okay, let's stay in Uttanasana. Yeah. So we already in the standing pose, so let's continue with the standing pose. So first you can wiggle the hips to the right, to the left, ya. Gerakan pinggul Anda ke kiri dan kanan, relaxkan lagi bahu. And exhaling completely. Dari sini teguk lutut. So bend the knees, and then from here raise your arms up into your Utkatasana, chair pose. Lengthen your back, extend your spine. So stretch your upper back, ya. Kalau bisa Anda externally rotate your arms. So putar bahunya keluar, externally rotate your arms. Tarik bahunya ke arah telinga, panjangkan lagi tulang punggung, bending. So leave your chest, open your shoulder. And exhale from here, bend the knees. And then interlace your hands behind your back. Tekuk siku tangan. So bend the elbow, sorry. And then tempel pergelangan tangan Anda di tulang sacrum. So put your hand into your sacrum. Keep your elbows bent. Then from here, scoop your tailbone in. Yeah, roll up your spine vertebrae. And then lift your shoulder up. Angkat bahunya ke atas, putar bahu ke belakang, tarik lagi masuk tulang belikat ke dalam. We call it the scapula humeral rhythm, ya. And then lengthen your back, open your chest, and then bend the knee, push your chest up. Keep your neck long, jangan mendengak. So keep your neck long, keep the neck long, and then create a back bend. Or maybe you can lift your heels slightly, lift your chest up. Yeah, it's like a zombie. Open the chest, open your heart, and exhale. Push your back forward, and then go down to your Uttanasana with your interlaced hand. And we call it Baddha Angulya Uttanasana. Look back, stretch your spine, and keep your shoulder blades retract. Yeah. Inhale, angkat dada, lengthen your spine, lift your chest up. Exhale from here. Keep your hands interlaced. Right leg back, yeah, into your lunge, atau extended warrior. And then from here, again, from here, bend your elbow, roll your shoulder back, lengthen your spine, lift your chest into your warrior one with your interlaced hand. Lift your right heel up from the floor, open your chest, broaden your collarbone, broaden your ribs, lift your heart. And then exhale. From here, press your heels down, your right heel down to the floor, and then lean your body forward. And then lean your body forward. Again, you can bend your elbow, roll your shoulder down back again, and then go down. And then the last one, you straight your elbow when you already go down. Yeah, so this is to improve the range of motion in your shoulder, in your hips. Yeah, stay here in your humble warrior. So feel that stretch in your upper body, stretch in your shoulder, stretch in your hips. Take a deep inhaling one more time. Exhaling. Inhale, release your arm, square your hip into your warrior one. Again, here in the warrior one, we want to open the chest. So we do a back bend warrior one. Yeah. Buka lagi bahunya, panjang lagi lambung, lift the ribs up, lift the sternum up, open your ribs, broaden your chest. This is called warrior one back bend. Yeah, stay here, breathe in, and exhale, hand down, and then from here, lift your left leg up to your three legs dog, and straight your left leg up. And then open your hip, open your hip, open your hips. Exhale, drop back in the floor. And then from here, so for the vaulting or for the shoulder opening, we are using the principle called a scapular humeral rhythm. Jadi kita gunakan teknik yang disebut dengan scapular humeral rhythm. Itu dimana kita menaikkan bahu ke atas, memutar ke belakang, tarik tulang belikat masuk dalam, dorong dada ke atas, ya. Jangan di lock siku tangannya. Don't lock the elbow. Bend the elbow slightly, and then externally rotate your shoulder, and then you can scoop your tailbone in, lift up into your, yeah. Just do a gentle vaulting here. Stretch your left side body long. Extend your spine, and just lengthen your neck. Jangan lihat ke tangan, ya. Just don't look to your hand, but just relax your head, facing diagonally up to the sky. Yeah, feel that stretch in your upper body, and exhale. Left hands down, and back into Adho Mukha Svanasana. And then inhale, bend the knees. And then lift your heel, and then come to your cobra directly. Yeah, so bend the knee, tekuk lututnya, and then roll your shoulder down and back. Yeah, use again your scapular humeral rhythm, scoop in, and then cobra directly. Yeah, di cobra jangan didorong, ya, jangan di push up. If you push in the cobra, you will compress your back. Instead, you drag. Tarik tangannya ke belakang, dragging, dorong pinggul ke depan, angkat dadanya. So you drag your hands back, lift the chest, open your shoulder, So you will lengthen the lower back instead of compressing. And exhale, chin in. Back to your Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Stay here in your down dog. Rasakan lagi peregangan pada punggung Anda, ya. So this time you can do the down dog a little bit deeper. Externally rotate your shoulder, wrap your elbows in, and push your hips up. Kalau bisa, sentuhkan ubun pala di lantai. Yeah, so you can touch your crown head down to the floor in this open chest down dog. Yeah, we don't do this every time. We don't do this in inside flow, or we don't do this in Ashtanga. We just do it for stretch. Yeah, because it's about mobility and flexibility. But keep active your belly, keep active your ribs, yeah, so that you don't really push your shoulder into an injury. So you have to active your arms, your upper arm, ya, active upper armnya, and then dorong pinggul ke atas, stretch your back body, crown head touch to the floor. Yeah, so this is actually the full down dog. It's not hurting your shoulder, it's opening your chest. Very nice. Exhaling completely. Inhale. Right leg up again. Lift your chest up. And exhale. Right foot forward. And then inhale from here. Yeah, let's do a one standing balance. Lift your left leg up. Left hands down. Circle your arms up into a twisted half moon. Open your right arms. Open your right shoulder. Stay here. Okay. Now from here, bend the left knee. Grab your ankle or grab your left foot with your right hand. And then open again your shoulder and look to the side in this pose called Ardha Chandra Chopasana. Parivrita Ardha Chandra Chopasana, or twisted sugarcane pose. Yeah. So this is this opening shoulder, stretching the body, and then also twisting the spine. Stay there for another 3 long breaths. And exhale. Release. Release your foot down. And inhale, lengthen Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Okay. Now, yeah. Open your feet about wider, yeah, before we do the left side. Open your feet wider. We do again the similar things like before, ya. Kita lakukan hal yang sama mirip dengan sebelumnya, ya. So, yang tadi Tasya lakukan, so when Tasya did these things, ya, we are actually again making the same thing, ya. So here, bend the left knee, ya. Open your hip. Open your hip. Now, the right shoulder put inside of your right thigh. We call this pose the supple shoulder pose. Yeah. And then left hand keep here. Yeah. Bend the knee and put your right shoulder into your right hamstring, and then grab your ankle. Grab your ankle or grab your back foot with your left hand and lift into your super shoulder pose. Yeah, can do it? Yeah, very nice, very good. Tekuk lututnya, Nola. Ya, ya. Angkat lagi Iren, angkat lagi lututnya. Lift your knee again more up, because Tasya already give the warm up for your hips. This is just combining with your shoulder. Yeah, so this is hips and shoulder opening. Yeah, and exhale, release down. Exhale, release Uttanasana. Inhale, bend the knee again into your chair pose, Utkatasana. Lengthen your back and push your hips back. Lutut, jari kaki sejajar. So knees and your toes perpendicular. Externally rotate your shoulder, lengthen your spine, stretch your back. Lift your shoulder up towards your ear. Angkat lagi Desi Ari ya. Desi di sini banyak nih ya. Hati-hati. Ada 2 Desi biasanya, ada lagi satu lagi. Nah, Desi Ari ya. Desi Ari, tarik lagi bahunya ke atas ke samping telinga panjang. Ya. And then exhale from here. Bend elbow, grab your interlace your hand. Kali ini coba interlace with the other hand. Ya. If you have before the right hand down, now the left hand down. And then roll your shoulder back, scoop your tailbone in, and then lift your chest, bend the knee, open your heart into your back bend, standing back bend. So don't push your hip forward with your straight leg. Bend the knee, scoop in, push your hips forward, lift the chest up. That is a back bend. Ya. Jadi kalau Anda kaki lurus, dorong pinggul ke depan, itu compress di lower back. No. You have to bend the knee, open your shoulder, lift your chest, and then this is the back bend. This is the back extension. And then you can lift your heels, maybe you can deeper your back bend a little bit, and exhale. Go down into your Pada Angulia Uttanasana. In the forward bend. Again, interlace your hands, lengthen your back, stay there. Ya, tahan situ. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. I just want to see you. Yeah, I'm teaching so I can see you. Yeah. So stay there before I said changing to the other position. And inhale, look up. Angkat dada. And exhale. Step your left foot back into extended warrior with your interlacing hand. Again here, bend your elbow lagi. So bend the elbow again. Put your wrist on your sacrum. Scoop in. Again, create another back bend here. Shoulder back. Squeeze your elbows in. Yeah, you can straight your arms back. Lift your chest into your standing back bend with warrior one leg. Open your chest. Open your shoulder. You can straight your elbow now. Stretch your elbow, lift again your chest, squeeze your blades in. And exhale. Tekan tumit kaki kiri ke lantai, dorong dada ke depan. Option 1, you just put your right shoulder onto your right thigh. Option 2, go deeper. And then touch, if you can, your head into the floor. You can bend again your elbow, and then roll your shoulder back again, lower down, and then you can straight at the last position yang sudah deep ya, stay there. Breathe in Ujjayi, and if you can touch crown head down to the floor, very nice. Open your shoulder more, squeeze your blades in, very good. Stretch your hamstring and exhaling completely. Inhale from here all the way up. Release your hand to your warrior one. Again, lift your chest, lengthen your back, spread your finger, externally rotate your arms, and bend the front knee, 90-degree angle, straight again your upper back, open your chest, open the chest, open your ribs, lift your sternum up, breathe deeply, and exhaling completely, hands down. And inhale, 3 legs dog, right leg up, right leg up, kanan angkat ke atas, and then bend the right knee, open your hip, bend the left knee, tekuk kirinya, and then draw back into your left side, left side, and again di sini, putar dulu bahunya ke belakang, so roll your left shoulder down and back. Squeeze your elbows in, squeeze your blades in, lift your chest, and then scoop your tailbone in, push your hips up, stretch your right side body into your wild thing. Stretch your arm, yeah. But don't look up to your hand, just look diagonal into the ceiling. Ya, lihatnya ke langit-langit aja. Buka lagi dadanya, panjangkan lagi tulang punggung, open your chest, open your shoulder. Breathe deeply. Exhaling, one more breath, inhale, and exhale, hands down, into your Adho Mukha Svanasana. Dari sini teguk lutut, jinjit kakinya, letakkan dulu lutut di lantai, ya, like you do a tabletop, and then melt your heart. Jatuhkan dadanya ke lantai, putar bahu ke belakang, scoop tailbone in, bend your elbow into cobra. So this is how we do the cobra, the step by step, yeah. So that you from the down dog, bend the knees, melt your heart, open your shoulders, scoop in, and then into your cobra. And again in cobra, jangan didorong tangannya ke lantai, tapi tarik, pull your hands back. Dorong dada ke depan. Strengthen your lower back. This is how we do cobra. Squeeze your blades in, lengthen the neck. Very good. Buka dadanya lagi, Mbak Nunung. Mbak Nuning, sorry. Buka bahunya. Ya, and exhale. Downward facing dog. Again, we do the down dog for the stretch of our body. Engage your belly. Engage your upper arm, externally rotate your arms, dorong pinggulnya ke atas, dorong dada ke belakang, lalu letakkan ubun kepala di lantai. Ya, engage the arm, ya, stretch your elbow, and then engage the bicep, tricep, and forearms. Lalu Anda turunkan kepalanya ke arah lantai. Jangan tekuk siku tangannya, straight. And squeeze elbows in. So push your crown head down. Very nice. Open the chest. Preparation for back bend. Exhaling completely. Inhale. Angkat kaki kiri, angkat dada. Lift your left leg up. Lift your toes up. Exhale. Now from here, left foot forward. And between your hands, inhale, lift your right leg up into your standing split, and then circle your left arm from the back into the ceiling in Parivrita Ardha Chandrasana. Yeah, twisted half moon. Very good. Now, actually, from here you can directly come into the super shoulders pose, ya. From here, tangan kirinya to the midline, tangan kiri to the midline, masukkan tangan kirinya ke dalam, ke bahu Anda, tekuk kaki kanan, grab your ankle and open your hip into your super shoulder pose. Stay there. Balance with your left foot, open the chest, look into your armpit if you can, stay there. Ya, to the midline, your hand. Angkat kakinya. Yes. Bagus sekali. Nice. Open. Ya, lihatnya kalau bisa, ya, yang bisa lihatnya ke ketiak tangan kiri. Yang bisa lihat ke ketiak tangan kiri. So that is really focusing your gazing and also really make the balancing more challenging a little bit. Yeah, stay there. And exhale, release. Uttanasana. Very good. Take a deep inhale. Out of Uttanasana. And exhale, relax. Stay there for another one breath. Inhale. Exhaling completely. Now inhale, look up. And then step back again to your downward facing dog. And then inhale from here. Come to your plank, bend your knees. And then drop your shoulder down. Yeah, drop your chest. And then belly down. And then chest down to your Shalabhasana. Yeah, Shalabhasana. So from here, let's stretch again the upper body, the shoulder. So first, yeah, the left arm into the side. The left arm to the side. Tangan kiri ke samping. Lalu tekuk ke kanan. Ya, tekuk ke kanan. And then tekan tangan kanan ke lantai. Press your right hand down to the floor and twist your right leg back. And then try to grab ankle. Try to grab your ankle with your left hand. Ya, so open your left shoulder, open your chest. Tangan kanan mensupport, your right fingertips press down to the floor. Open your chest. Ya, open your chest. You can look to your right shoulder or just look to the right side. And then from here, raise your right arms and internally rotate your right arms. Grab also your right ankle or right foot with your right hand into your supine dancer, or I would say Anantasana dancer. Yeah, preparation for a back bend, and feel that stretch in your left shoulder. Feel the stretch in your right shoulder. Very good. And exhale. Now from here, keep your left hand on the floor. Keep your right hand in your ankle and turn back into the floor and lift up your right leg into your Ardha Dhanurasana. Left hands forward, lift your right leg up, stay there. Yeah, you can tuck your left toes to the floor or back foot down to the floor, or maybe lift your left leg, maybe lift your left arm into your Shalabhasana variation with your Dhanurasana. Stay there for 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release down. Whew, nice. First, just put your forehead down, relax your right back muscle. Breathe into your nose. Exhale into the nose. And then inhale, look up. Right. Now right hand into the side. And then bend your left hand to your left chest. Bend your left knee. And then twist your left leg into the right side. So twist your spine. And then try to grab your left ankle or left foot with your right hand. Raih kaki kirinya dengan tangan kanan Anda. Ya, grab it. So open your right shoulder. Tangan kiri lantai, dorong lagi dada ke atas. Buka bahu kirinya. Open your left shoulder. Push your left hand down. Open your left shoulder. So really open the right chest, right shoulder, left shoulder. And then the left arms up. Internally rotate your left arms. Grab your ankle with your left hand to your Ananta dancer, Anantasana dancer. Yeah. So dancer on the floor facing to the side, we call it Anantasana. Yeah. Stay here. So opening your chest, open the shoulder. Feel the straight in your spine. Stay there for a moment more. Exhaling completely. And from here, and then roll your body back, but keep your left hand to your ankle. And then come back to your belly to the floor. And then move your right hands forward. Tuck your toes. Lift your chest. Lift your left leg up. Yeah, into Shalabhasana variation. If you can, lift your right foot up. Lift your arms up. Externally rotate your right arms into your Shalabhasana dancer variation. Stay there for another 3 breaths. Long breath. Stay for 3, 2, and 1. Release. Wow, nice stretch with your back. Relax. Release the tension in your left back muscle. Take a deep inhaling. Exhaling completely. Let's neutral a little bit with a vinyasa. Yeah. Come to down dog. Place your hand beside your chest. Now, push your hips up. Press your back foot down. We call it Ashtanga Pranam. Yeah. From here, lift. Yeah. So lift your hips, and then the movement start from your tailbone. Press your back foot down. Tuck your tailbone in. Roll up. Shoulder back to your cobra roll. Cobra roll this, Dechi. Yeah. And exhale, downward facing dog. Dorong lagi pinggul ke atas. And you can again do another back bend down dog. Keep your arms straight, shoulder and your upper body parallel, ya. Engage the upper arm. Jangan doyot, ya. Jangan lemes. Engage your upper arm, external rotate your shoulder, and then push your hips up, stretch your spine, put your crown head down into your Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay there. If you can press your heels down, so open your chest again. Nice. Ya, dorong lagi pinggulnya ke atas, and then dorong kepalanya ke arah lantai. Yes. Exhaling completely. Inhale, jijit kaki ke lutut. Again, rounding it back. Dorong pinggul ke depan to your cobra. Exhale, belly down into the floor. And now, yeah, we already made the preparation for that. We call it Dhanurasana bow pose. Bend both knees. Bend both knees. Now, open your arms to the side. Externally rotate your arm. And then grab the inner foot with your both hands. Grab the inner foot with your both hands. And from here, yeah, press your heel into your hip, bend your elbow, and then turn your fingers forward into Bekasana. Press the heel to your hip, lift your chest, stay there. Open your chest, open your shoulder, lengthen your spine, stay there for 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release down. Forehead down, relax the neck. Relax your shoulder. Stay for a moment. Stay for a moment. Relax there. Yes. Breathe deeply. Exhaling calmly. Inhale again. Lift your chest up. Again, bend both knees. Again, open your arms to the side. External rotate your shoulder. Grab again the inner foot with your both hands. And then lift your thighs up from the floor. Lift your chest into your Dhanurasana bow pose. So you can feel the difference. If you are doing Dhanurasana like this, or you grab your ankle from the outside, you feel the opening on the chest different. You can try it. So opening the chest with the external rotation of your arms will make your chest open more and the upper back lengthen more. So we don't need to lengthen the lower back too much, but we need to lengthen the upper back more. And lift your chest, stay there for 3, 2, and 1. Release down. Again, into the floor. Relax your back. Whew. Then gonna be inhaling. Exhaling. Now hands back. Roll your shoulder back again, or you can do the floating cobra or just do cobra. And when you just do cobra, what you do is that lift your shoulder up, roll back, and lift. And then drag your hands back, push your chest forward. If you want to do a rolling cobra from here, you can back foot down, push your hips up, and then tuck the tailbone in, rolling up into cobra. Yeah, very good. Drag your hands back, lift your chest, and exhale back into your downward facing dog. Very good. Again, here you can do the stretch down dog for back bend. You can push your head down to the floor, keep your arms engaged, shoulder engaged, lengthen your spine. Nah, di sini akan Anda bisa merasakan lebih banyak. If your mat is slippery, you can grab the outer edge of your mat and push your head down. If you have Live For Me yoga mat or Lululemon or any kind grippy mat, you can just press your palms down. but it doesn't slippery. But if you have rubber mat, you have to grab your outer edge mat and push back so that you have that stretch in the upper back more. Yeah. Feel that stretch in your spine, stretch in your back. Ooh, nice everyone. Very good. Yeah, Catherine, capek? Capek ya? Okay, it's okay. Yeah, and come back. Woo. Yeah, flexibility and mobility also is not like yin yoga. Okay, come sit down. So I want to explain a little bit. Yeah. So I will explain first in Bahasa Indonesia, and later I will tell you in English. So flexibility mobility itu bukan seperti yin yoga, ya. Yin yoga dia relax tanpa ada engagement. Dia lebih melatih ke joints and also the tendon. Tapi kalau kita di sini melatih mobility flexibility dengan active stretch, ya. So active stretch will make your muscles become more stretched than the normal if you don't engage the muscle. So engage the muscle is very good to stretch the muscle, ya. Jadi bukan artinya flexibility itu relax, ya. Don't relax. If you relax, you lose the tension. So we need the tension, yeah. We need the tension to stretch the muscle. So this is the trick in our flexibility mobility practice. Okay. So go come to kneeling position. I think I already explained both language, ya. Biasaan susah kalau ngomong dua bahasa. Okay, we do Ustrasana. Yeah, what you do is that you open the knees about with hip distance, and then lihat kakinya belakangnya. Jangan seperti ini, jangan nempel. Don't touch your big toes together. No, ya. You have to internally rotate your thighs, ya, and then make your feet wider than normally. So here, the back foot should be, go out a little bit. So you internally rotate your spine, your thighs. Here, your lower back will be longer. So from here, you push your hips back first, and then scoop your tailbone in, and then roll up like you do the rolling cobra. Lift your shoulder, open your chest, and then open your arms like you do Dhanurasana. And then you can maybe grab your thighs, your calf muscle, or maybe just first grab your back muscle or your hip to open. If you're already ready, you can open and grab your heel with your external rotation. Don't do internal rotation. External rotation, no arm. So you broaden your chest. You don't compress your lower back. Yeah, and lift your chest. Don't do this. Lengthen the neck. Lengthen your back. Lift your heart. This is camel pose. Yeah. Hey, go. Yeah, you can place your hands first onto your hip. Catherine, pinggulnya kurang ke depan, Catherine. So, Catherine ulang lagi sedikit. Ya. So, pinggulnya jangan sampai mundur begini, ya. Kalau mundur begini agak percuma, ya. So, keep your knee hips perpendicular. Internal rotate your thighs. Dorong pinggul ke belakang dulu. Scoop in. Ya, roll up. Shoulder back. Just put your hand first on your hip. Keep your hip knee in line. And then maybe you can grab your fingers into calf muscle. This is okay. Yeah. And then you external rotate your arms. Walk again your fingers into your inner calf muscle, inner ankle, and then the heel, the last one. And then leave your chest, open your heart. You have to feel that opening in the upper body and the upper spine, not on your lower back. Ya, jangan dirasakan di lower back untuk Ustrasana. You are wrong when you do that. Ya, so you open the chest, open the upper body, not the lower back. Very good. Yes. After that, you do Adho Mukha Virasana. Don't do child pose. Adho Mukha Virasana. Keep your feet parallel. Push your hip back. Lengthen your spine. Don't child pose. Yeah. Not child pose. Kakinya paralel, ya. Kaki jempolnya jangan ketemu. Panjang tulang punggung, lengthen it back. Stay there, breathe deeply. Exhaling completely. Inhale again, roll up, sit down first. Yeah, sit down first. Okay, now watch me. Yeah, we will do a twisted back bend. Yeah, with Ustrasana. We call it Parivrtta Ustrasana. Yeah, the same thing like you did in Ustrasana, but you just twist. Yeah, so the twist, you can grab the left heel if you are going twist to the left side, or grab the right heel. This is a deeper twist. Yeah, so watch here. So again, scoop in, tailbone, roll up, shoulder back, and then from here, lengthen your spine first, and then raise your right arms, and then twist. You have to lengthen, create a length first, and then twist. Don't twist before you create length, and then you will hurt the lower back also. Yeah. So create length, and then twist. And you can deeper your twist with the back bend. And that is, yeah. You can stay here. If you want, this is a little bit more advanced. You can walk back. Yeah, walk back, and then bend your elbow. And then you can go deeper into your twist. Yeah, and then come back up. Yeah. Okay, good. Let's try. Okay, from here, again, the setup is the same like Ustrasana. Knees parallel, internal rotate your thighs, the feet out, the legs out. And then here, hips back, scoop your tailbone in, rolling up, engage the thighs, rolling up, engage the thighs. Yeah, we twist first to the left side. Now, after you create the length, lift your right arms up, and then twist into your left side. And then twist to your left. You can put your left hand to your hip, it's okay. And then if you can grab the left heel or grab your right heel with a deeper twist within back bend. Yeah, very nice. Externally rotate your left shoulder. Nice, everyone. You can go deeper, Hera, if you want. Walk your hands back. Walk your hands back. Walk your hands back. Bend your elbow and twist. Nah, itu dia ya. Kalau yang udah enak, twist sama back bendnya dia bisa dalam lagi, bisa ke belakang. But be careful there, ya. If you're not ready, don't do that, ya. Jangan kebuka lututnya, tetap squeeze. Exhaling. Inhale, come back up. Up. Exhale. Adho Mukha Virasana first. And press your hips to your heel. Walk your hands forward. Fingertips on the floor. Relax your spine. Stay there. Breathe deeply. Exhaling completely. And slowly roll up, sit down. On your heel, Vajrasana. Again, lift up your hips. Open the legs wider. Internal rotate your thighs. Lower your hips down first. Scoop your tailbone in, roll up, vertebrae by vertebrae. Lift your shoulder, roll back. Open your upper body, create length, and then lift your left arm up. Inhale. Exhale, twist into your right side. You can grab your right heel or grab your left heel. Extend your spine, look into your right side. Stay there. Breathe. If you want to go deeper, you can go deeper with your bend elbow to the floor. Be careful, Bahida. Be careful, madam. Pinggulnya jangan turun, Mbak. Bukan. Kok jadi lupa si ujung sana? Agustin. Sorry, Agustin. Pinggulnya jangan turun. Pinggulnya jangan turun ke bawah, tapi keep your hips up. Open, ya, lengthen, and lengthen. Jangan turun pinggulnya, jangan turun ke tumit, tapi dorong pinggul ke atas. and then bend. Yeah. Exhaling completely. Inhale all the way up. Exhale. Adho Mukha Virasana. Relax. You can just put your elbows down, relax your back, relax your head. Breathe deeply. Exhaling completely. So we have done the twist, back bend, and inhale, come to tabletop. Cross your leg and sit down. Very good. And then we lay down directly. Lay down. So after back bend and twist, yeah. So it's good to do a forward bend, but not directly forward bend with the both legs at feet, head to the feet. Yeah, we do just a gentle back bend first. Right leg up, then grab your right leg with your grab your right calf muscle, flex your right foot, and then kick your right heel up. Active your thighs so that you can stretch your hamstring and stretch the lower back. Keep your right heel and your hip bone in one line. Don't go deeper. Don't go like this. This is another things. So keep your right heel up, right foot down first. Ya, and then your hand, tangannya di belakang hamstring, dorong ke atas kakinya, melawan. So active stretch. Active stretch your legs so that you can feel the stretch in your lower back deeper. Inhaling there. And exhale. And from here, release the other side. Right leg down, left leg up. Inhale, flex your left. Again, interlace your hands behind your hamstring and push your left thigh against your hand and kick your left heel up and stretch your lower back. Feel that? Yeah. You should feel that lower back stretch. Jadi kakinya mendorong ke arah tangan, tangannya berlawanan ke arah kaki, and then tumitnya ke atas. Ya, so feel that stretch on your lower back. Okay, keep inhaling, exhaling, and now inhale, both legs up. Yeah, both legs up. Now after this we do the forward bend. Yeah, you can go deeper. Now both legs, just if you are in menstruation cycle, just stay here. Kalau lagi menstruasi, diam di sini aja. Ya. Kalau Anda nggak ada masalah, Anda dekatkan tulang kering ke arah wajah, ya, atau kakinya ke belakang into halasana. Just do halasana, shoulder down, and then relax the shoulder. You can interlace your hands behind your back if you want again another stretch, or just support your back. Yeah, squeeze your blades in, support your back. If you want an inversion, please do so. You can lift your right leg up, or the other leg up, or you can go up into a shoulder stand. This is good for the last stretch. Or if you don't want to go the legs up, just put your knees on your head, on your forehead, and stay there. So releasing the tension in your lower back. There. Ya, stay there. Dorong lagi pinggulnya ke atas, hanil, ya. Dorong lagi pinggul ke atas, hanil. Sikunya masuk lagi, tangannya turun lagi ke arah middle back. Very good. Bagus. Nola, sikunya kelebaran. Sikunya masuk lagi. Sikunya masukin lagi, bahunya squeeze lagi. Dorong pinggul ke atas, kaki ke atas. Very nice. And exhaling completely, release yang di shoulder stand, kembali ke halasana lagi. And then after halasana, pelan-pelan kembali punggungnya ke lantai. And feet down to the floor. Terakhir Matsyasana untuk merilekskan leher. Tekan siku tangan ke lantai, dorong dada ke atas, kepala ke lantai, and stretch your back, stretch your neck, lengthen again your spine, open the chest. Exhale, release, head down. Open your legs, open your palms, and just close your eyes for a moment to feel this amazing sensation after yoga stretch. Ya. After yoga stretch, yoga mobility, rasakan bagaimana setiap peregangan yang terjadi di setiap persendian Anda, setiap otot-otot Anda, besar dan kecil. Rasakan peregangan juga yang terjadi di bagian luar kulit Anda. Feel any kind of sensation in your body, from your joints, your muscles, your skin. So the stretching, what we do stretch is that we stretch all these things in our body. And feel that sensation. Stretching make rushing on the blood, ya. Stretching membuat tubuh kita menjadi lebih lancar, peredaran darah menjadi lebih lancar, dan rasakan peredaran darahnya mengalir dari jantung ke kaki ke kepala lebih dalam. So this is how the benefit of mobility and flexibility for your body. It is really to make your blood flow more rush, more fluid, and also thinning your blood pressure. So this is the benefit of doing mobility and flexibility. Feel your heartbeat become more relaxed. Feel the sweat coming out from your skin. Feel the sensation from the body into the breath, into your mind, and into the soul. Relax deeper and deeper. So after stretching without savasana is really nothing. Yeah? You can do other yoga practice without savasana, that's no problem, but doing yoga stretch without savasana is really nothing. You feel that sensation of stretching is in the savasana. Breathe smoother. Breathe longer. Relax the body, relax your mind, and find your true self into your inner self, into the deep of your soul. Gently, slowly, move your fingers, move your toes, move your ankles, move your wrists. And close your feet together. Hug your knees into your chest with your both elbows. And stay here for a moment. Feel that stretch again, low back. Feel the stretch in your hip flexor. And start to roll your body to the right, to the left. Massage your shoulder. Massage your lower back. Massage your middle back. Massage your spine. Massage your head. Exhale, cross your leg. Grab your outer feet with your both hands and roll up and roll back. Massage again your back, lower back, middle, upper back. And then you can roll up, come into your sitting position. Cross your leg, lengthen your spine, place your palms in front of your heart, touch your thumb to your heart, and let's take a moment for our short meditation. Feel how this yoga practice making you calm, relax, and find your inner true self. That's this yoga practice bring purification into our mind, our body, and our soul. Make us healthier, happier than before. Thank you for sharing your positive energy with us today. Namaste, everyone. Thank you. Okay, let's take a picture for a moment. Yeah. Okay. Okay, one, two, and cheers. Cheers. Thank you. Okay. See you tonight if you are still want to practice with us slow flow with Tasha. Yeah.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Thank you.